Hello, everyone. Welcome to our class.
Hey,
Let's start together.
Finders, keepers, losers. Say the sound. So fast. Whoa, that's a soup shear. Sorry. What a surprise.
S S S S.
S S S S S S S.
This is S. Curve. Curve again. S is for snake. I am snake. This is S.
S is what's curved. Drinking. It's It's transmitting. Class, settle down.
This is S. Curve.
Curve again.
S is for snake. Sess. 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 This is S. Curving. S is for snake. I am snake. Very good, everyone. This is S. Curve. Curve again. S is for snake.
Let's play, Big T. Be careful. Roar! Feel my wrath! Whoa, you're huge. That tickles. Wow, show! Wow, look at all these pretty flowers. Yes, they're so colorful and happy. And this big letter T. Let's play with the butterflies. Okay, let's go. Hey, this is so much fun.
Hey, that's my strawberry. Finders, keepers, losers, weepers. Oh yeah? Take this. Whoa, fruit whip again. Best fruit party ever. Yeah, encore.
Tee-hee, I'm dizzy. Slow and steady wins the race. Whoa, look, it's twisting. It's a big green S. My shell's spinning now.
T. T.
Whoa, the fruits are exploding. I am the sign now. T for transformation. My slow walk brings the chaos. T is for turtle, but also trouble.
T. T.
T is for turtle.
This is turtle.
I am turtle.
T. T.
T is for turtle.
T for turtle.
The turtle walks very slowly. I am turtle.
T is for pineapple and papaya.
Let's start with T. T is for turtle.
Boring, I want T for tiger.
Patience. First across and down.
My turn now. T is for topsy-turvy.
Wait, what are you doing?
Okay, class, let's review the lesson.
I don't get it. Can you explain?
Hold on tight, kids. Time for some applied physics.
I am tiger. Ooh.
Ooh.
T is for tiger. The tiger is strong and tall.
T is for tiger.
I am tiger. T is for tiger. The tiger is strong and tall.
Wobble, wobble. I feel funny.
Class,
I am tiger.
T.
T is for tiger. The tiger is strong and tall.
T. I am tiger.
I am tiger. T is for tiger. The tiger is strong and tall. Wow, the red tile. In class, did he come?
This lesson is quiet. This lesson is quiet. Bye-bye.